Hi guys, it's Shaylee. I'm going to be filming a lip product declutter because I watched a lip product declutter and I got the bug to want to declutter mine because I have a lot and I don't use all of them. So this is what we're working with. There's more over here, but I'm going to be doing them in groups. This is my laptop, but we're just going to ignore that. I'm going to do the smallest group first just because I feel as though it'll be easiest for me, which are my really super dark colors here. And yeah, so the first one I have, this is, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. This is Kat Von D's mini studded lipstick in, oh, I can't read that. Yeah, I don't know what this actually says, but it's like the really decently bright color. I'm just going to swatch this. And I love this color. It's a lot brighter than it is in the tube, so unless I find a color similar to this, the formula I like better, I will be keeping this one. And I have containers over there that are my keep and declutter pile. So if you hear them like clunking in, that's why. Then I have the another mini in Homegirl from Kat Von D. And I've yet to wear this one because I haven't had an occasion to, but I love this color. I think this is the only lipstick formula I have that's this dark, so I'm probably going to keep this as well. And the last really dark color I have is the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in Guess. Just giving it a quick shake to make sure everything's all how it should be. Mix it up a little bit because I haven't, this has been on its side for a little bit. And this is a super dark color, and I like colors that are super dark like this to be a liquid lipstick formula because they're easier to use. So since this is the only one I have, definitely going to keep it. Hopefully I'll be able to use it a little bit more before it goes bad. Next I'm going to be doing my more odd colors. So the first one I have is the Star Wars and CoverGirl collaboration. This is the number 20. And this is just like a shimmery lavender. I've never even swatched this, so I think I'm going to try and sell this just because it was like a limited edition collection. So I'm not going to swatch this, and I'm probably going to declutter this just because I'm never going to use it. Next I have this Maybelline Bold in Pitch Black. I bought this because I wanted a black lipstick. I used it a couple times, but it comes out more gray. Even when I go over it a lot, it's basically just gray, so I think I'm going to get rid of it and try and find maybe like a black liquid lipstick or a better black lipstick. I have this Jessie's Girl Glow Sticks lip gloss that's in my Product 100 pan. Keeping this to use it. I'll give you guys a quick swatch so you can see the holographic effect it has, the like shift. You guys see how this one's called Red Dawn, so it has a red shift to it. I really like this one. And then I have the Estee Edit Bosch Photo Gloss. It's supposed to like make your teeth look whiter because it's tinted blue. Yeah, this one's just like more like a topper gloss. You see it's right here. I think I'm going to keep it just to have a gloss just in case because I don't have many glosses. Next I have this NYX Blackberry black lip liner, and I like this black lip liner, so I'm going to keep it. Gotten a lot of use out of it, so. Next I have this NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Stone Fox. It's a very pretty color, but I don't wear it often enough to keep it. So I think, sadly, I'm going to get rid of this. Plus, it's really old, so I should probably get rid of it by now. And I have this Ulta Shiny Sheer Lip Gloss in Smoky. And I basically bought it to put over like my dark lipsticks because it had a really cool ship to it. I haven't gotten a lot of use out of it, so I'm going to keep this for a little bit longer and hopefully get some more use out of it. Okay, we're going to be doing this section next. I don't even know where to start, guys. Seeing my lipsticks all in one place has really overwhelmed me. This is my L'Oreal Balm Pop. It's my Product 100 pan. And I can already tell before swatching this that I'm going to keep it because I love this color. So definitely keeping this one. Next I have an Essence lip liner that's also in my Project Colorful Empties. If I haven't called it 100 pan, it's my 100 Colorful Empties, that's why. And that I have been using, so I'm going to keep this. This is in Wish Me Rose. I really like the Essence lip liners. I'm going to keep that one. While we're on the lip liners, I'll do the Essence lip liner in Honeyberry, which is like a magenta color. I think it's right here. I think I'm going to get rid of this because this is super dry and not like the Essence formula that I know. So I'm going to get rid of this. I don't use it often enough anyway to keep it and feel okay. This is my ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in Cheap Thrills, also in my 100 Colorful Empties. And I just got this color, so I'm probably going to keep it because it's like the only purpley tone color. This shows up super purple on me. I love this and I'm definitely going to keep it. It's like a neutral purple, which is really cool. And then I have my e.l.f. Liquid matte lipstick in Tea Rose. No, they're not similar at all. I really like this shade too, so I'm gonna keep this. I don't think I'm doing too hot, guys. This is a Sephora Gel Gloss Ultra Brilliant lip gloss. I've never used this. It's never been opened, so I think I'm gonna try and sell this or something. It's in Pinup Pink. I got it from a Sephora Playbox, and it's just not my color. This is a 100 Point Perk I got from Sephora. It's the Bite Beauty like lip crayon in glacé. How would you say that? If I can open it. I love this color. I can tell you guys that I'm going to keep it. It's such a beautiful mauve-y dark nude. Definitely going to keep this one. That, and if I roll it up, there's really not a lot in there, so I can finish that up pretty easily. Okay, next is my last little mini from Kat Von D. This is in my Colorful Empties, and this is in Lovecraft. I've recently found out that I love this color on me, so I'm definitely going to keep it and hopefully use it up this year. This is the e.l.f. Lip Balm in Smoochy Spice. That's what it looks like right there. This is a really hard lip balm, and I think I'm going to get rid of it just because it's not as like comfortable as the lips as I hoped it would be, and I don't really like the smell. This is a ColourPop Mini Ultra Matte Lip in More Better. I love this shade, guys. Look at how beautiful that is. This is a pink that I can definitely wear, so I'm definitely going to keep this. Another ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in Viper. I really like this shade too, guys. This is a beautiful like pinky dark mauve. It dries even darker on my lips and I love it. I'm going to keep it. It is recently new in my collection too, so I'm going to try and get some more use out of it before it goes bad. This is a Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lip in Androgyny. And I love this shade as well. So definitely going to be keeping this one and hopefully using it up because there's not a lot of product in here, so it should be easy. And this is the Smashbox liquid lip, but I think it's called like Driver's Seat or something like that. It's from the Sephora Playbox a couple months ago. And I also surprisingly love this like peachy shade, so I'm going to keep it. Plus it's a mini, so hopefully I'll be able to go through this a little quicker than a full size. Okay, let's do my darker reds and such. Pull them over real quick. Okay, Essence lip liner. This is in my colorful product pan. I'm going to keep it because it's the only bright red lip liner I have. And it'll go well with the lip stuff I'm using up. Same with this NYX lip liner in dark red. I really have come to like this shade right here. And it works well with my really darker liquid lips and things. So I'm going to be keeping this. This is my Clinique Black Cherry. Love this shade. I'm going to keep it. This is a Sephora tiny sample that's in my Colorful Undie product pan, and I really like this shade of red, and it's super comfortable, so I'm going to keep it because this should be so easy to use up. I have my NARS lip pencil in Cruella. Love this red. It's super comfortable. Gonna keep it. Okay, let's see. I'm going to pick out the shades that I know I'm going to be keeping. Actually, let's do this lip liner first because I missed this one. This is another Essence lip liner, and this is super close to Androgyny actually. So I'm going to keep it for the use of my more nude darker lipsticks. Okay, so the shades I know I'm probably going to be keeping is definitely this ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in Notion. It's just like a super dark kind of purpley red, and I really love this. I think the other shade I'm definitely gonna keep is this e.l.f. Matte Lipstick in Wine. Yeah, I'll keep it for now. It's right here, and if I don't like it later on, I'll get rid of it then. Sorry, brief intermission. I'm going to swatch my ColourPops next to each other. This is Bossy, which I think is a little too bright for me. So I'm probably going to get rid of Bossy. This is I Heart This, which I think I'm going to get rid of it because it's kind of similar to the Kat Von D one. So I think I'm going to get rid of this one too. And then this is LBB, which I like this shade right here, so I think I'm going to keep this one too. This Neutrogena Moisture Smooth Color Stick. Haven't used it and I've had it for a long time, so I'm going to get rid of it. This NYX Liquid Suede in Vintage is, let me see. It's very pretty, but I don't reach for it often enough, so I'm going to get rid of this. And then this NYX Matte Lipstick in Alabama. Running out of space on my hand. It's right there. I really like this shade, but I don't need another red that I'm not going to reach for very often, so I'm going to get rid of this. And then I have this Ulta lipstick in, what is this in? 248. I don't know, it doesn't have a name. I'll start swatching on the arm. It's very pretty, but I don't reach for it, and it's been over a year since I've reached for it. So I'm gonna just toss this. Well, not toss it, but declutter it. Okay, and lastly is all of my more nude shades. So, again, I'm gonna pick out the ones that I know I'm probably gonna keep. I'm gonna keep this ColourPop Mini in Beeper. This is in my Product 10 pan. And I love this nude shade, so I'm definitely going to keep this. Another ColourPop mini in Tulle. Love this shade actually. It's like a darker version of Beeper and a little bit more warm toned. So I'm gonna keep this one as well. This is ColourPop Cookie. It's in my Product 10 pan. I like this for lightening nudes. I'm gonna keep it. Hopefully use that up. This Sephora mini. It's like has no name on it, but it's like just like a really sheer lipstick. Not my color, gotta get rid of it. It's from the Sephora Play Box a couple months ago. This is the old Urban Decay lipstick in Rush. I love this shade on me. It's kind of like a purpley pink nude. Gonna keep it. My other Jeffree Star lipstick in Gemini. Gonna keep this because my fiance bought it for me, and I'm a Gemini, and I love this shade. Let me just close it. It's right there. Really love this shade. It's not too similar to any of the other shades I have, so I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep Touch of Spice because I think I can finish this lipstick this year, hopefully before it goes bad on me. And I just love this shade. It's a great nude for me. I'm gonna keep these two ColourPop lippy sticks in Brink and Grudge. Because I love Brink because it's like my perfect nude shade. It's not too pink, but it's not too nude. And then Grunge I love to use with Cookie or Brink on top. This is Maybelline's Bold Lipstick in Mauve. This is like a lipstick version of Androgyny. So I think I'm going to keep it for a little bit, but if I don't use it more by the time I declutter again, I'm going to get rid of it. This is a NYX lip liner in Truffle, Nude Truffle. And this is like my brown lip liner I keep for my nudes, so I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep Love Bug from ColourPop. And we're going to swatch here. It's like a beautiful burnt brownie orange. My sleeve keeps falling. Let's see, what's this one? This is Times Square from ColourPop. I don't think I'm going to keep this one, guys, because the formula has always been weird. It settles in my lines and it just doesn't feel right, so I'm going to get rid of this one. Sadly, because I bought it so I could have a cool tone lipstick, more cool toned. And then this is Trap, which is like a really cool tone lipstick. Like, I'll compare the two. And see, you can see how Times Square is more peachy compared to Trap. And Trap has such a better formula that I'm going to keep Trap because I really like this shade. Okay, last three is my NYX Butter Lipstick in Pops. Yeah. I like this shade, but I think it's really similar to this shade here, which is Brink from ColourPop, and I'd rather use Brink, so I'm gonna declutter this sadly. This is my NYX Butter Gloss and Angel Food Cake. Oh, I'm running out of room to swatch, guys. These are getting more and more awkward. It's right here. I keep this for a nude gloss for the rest of my nudes. So I'm going to keep it because I just recently got that. And lastly is my e.l.f. matte lip color in Praline. And swatch right here. I love this shade so much that I'm going to keep it. Okay, and let me show you guys what I'm getting rid of compared to what I'm keeping. This is everything I'll be decluttering, and this is everything I'll be keeping. I know that this looks like a lot, but I did just get rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 lip products, which is very impressive for me. And hopefully it'll be easy for me to use these products now that I don't have all of this cluttering it in. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!